It's a lovely day. No, go. I don't want to hear none of your crap.
But please.
Fine, what is it?
I'm bored.
You're bored?
Yeah.
How about you go play outside with a friend or something, you know?
Well, that's a great idea. Let's go do that.
Fine, get off my back.
Okay, Sniffly, what do you want now? Well, I kind of want to play because I'm really bored. Oh, yeah, I can't really because I have a really cool pet. Why? What's so cool about it? Well, it's actually really cool because you can do like amazing things with it. You can play with it, and you can never be bored. It's like I don't know. It's just so fun to play with him. So yeah, I should be heading back home to take care of my pet before my mom gets mad at me. Yeah. So bye. Okay. Maybe I should ask Dad if I can have one. Dad!
I love the house itself. It's so funny.
Dad!
I'm gonna spring my kid, but I can't. What do you want?
I want a pet. I'm bored and everyone else has one, and even Kowalski has one except me. So I want a pet. I'll do anything, please.
I'll tell you when I want to buy you this pet. Not right now. I'll tell you, I promise. Bye. Tails, I really need your help. My son's forced me to give him a pet. He's about to be okay.
Okay. I know someone to help you.
Who's that?
It's my cousin called Foxo.
Foxo? Well,
Yeah.
will this Foxo really help me?
Yeah, he will. He gives free pets away.
Okay, but does he really give us free pets?
No, yeah, just steals pets. Tell the cameraman.
Okay, I guess I'll go and find this Foxo. Thanks, Tails.
You're welcome.
But, excuse me, are you the man that gives the pets?
Yeah, what's it to you?
Well, I need you to do me a favor.
And what's that?
Well, I need you to get rid of this problem because I am stuck here with my kid yelling he needs a pet.
Okay, $10.
I don't have $10 with me, sir.
Well, there is something else you can do to get. My wife, she broke up with me and married a saint. Please get her back from this Dragon Ball world. Just please.
I'll happily do this, but only if you do my
Pet. Yeah.
do my favor, yeah.
Okay, I know.
Well, I'll happily do this. Just make sure you don't forget my pet. Just leaving. Dang, I have to deal with this problem. I have to get some weird woman from a world I don't know. What am I gonna do?
What weird woman?
Nothing at all, Sniffly. Hi, what's up?
Well, do you have my pet yet?
No.
Oh. You said you would get it.
I am. I'm actually gonna go get it right now. You see, I have the money.
What? Oh my God! Yes, you have money.
Yeah.
You punk! Okay, take it! I love you! No! Okay, I missed you! No!
Excuse me, where is my pet?
Raccoon, show me.
Raccoon! Excellent. And I believe your girl is waiting for you outside. Besides, I have Team Rocket Help.
What?
Never mind that. Go, she's waiting for you out there.
Yeah.
Finally, I have it. My pet. Yes.
Oh. Where is she? Sonic! When I meet you again, I'm gonna rip out your spine. And soon you'll be paying, Sonic. You will be Sonic.
Sniffly, look what I got you.
Oh my god! That's a pet!
Yep, I got you your hamster.
I love you, I love you, I love you.
Now, Sniffly, go bring it upstairs so we can play with it.
Okay.
Finally, peace and quiet, just how I